Aki Family Union Igbanke has announced plan to rebuild the former Aki Hall located along Aki Road beside the post office into a model multipurpose hall. Speaking on the project, president of the Aki Family Union said the reconstruction to bring promotion development within the Aki Kingdom and providing a befitting facilities for the community. According to him, the new hall will serve as a center of community meetings, cultural activities, social gathering, and other important events. He also explained that when completed, the model hall will be available for weddings, receptions, conference, celebration, and other occasions, creating a valuable venue for both residents and visitors. Members of the union described the project as a major step forward, preserving the community heritage while supporting growth and unity. They expressed confidence that the new Aki Hall will become a landmark that benefits the entire Aki Kingdom and future generations.
Here in Malemi Bin, it's about just about 2 hours ago. Came flew from Abuja down to my place because there were some projects, and this one of the projects, and it was in the Omuake. Was in here measurement of here no was correct. So we are in so was maybe a lot. So I think we can we have yen. We can money for him. So we are money all. So as many available Nenguru electable even our former hall, Ake Hall. So Gambo. So get you give me 20 Yakwe is within that time. So now if you Brugola. So I want one of our projects in my escorts. So that's like I tuned the hall. But meanwhile, before we will get to the hall, because all the actually is going to be the best in a market. So I hear human. So I see for now, I go to grade good affairs. Ne when to no agbagude bo living and them no party the cake good event, birthday party, burial, any ceremony at all. I baby lime for now. So before Kubama later Twego I this hall. So I give a limit. I want to mark a home I've been called and not so was be. And maybe anybody who live in and work at the stop my president look at get to this hall. And the melee provision marking slow way. Well, I expect you. Work give many way, many while, slow work at Bono. And they go let out give me slow work at Bono. So we're going to have was called dinner day when didn't anywhere. Our city does like one sons, Elekia cannot as I when no car is going to so okay, are your slow way because this one now, and I got one. And then do I keep 1 year. Next also car one. So okay, everybody where can for this project now, okay, very soon. And now the project 1 naira, 2 naira. I want to call about someone can the best hall in the market. So for that they go kokiri. So now so quite many. Can they kalene you come back can one do kakemeni no so work akpono no zego. Next also car this one.
So I think it no be so much because the president equal about this project before. AGF you actually botan here be into manifestation. So chukuya gozi we because when le mewe wa procrastinate. Here all we chole no erun wa anu. So obi so most we ben kakabo nke this place we be like clear nanyi. Omo kacho mazebo agbago de ball gbazikiri ahun ebo ihe aka gbaze ball ni alegi level ugu before at one hall here. Then onwezi president okuzi na many onwezi ndike melike event also party or abiazu ebe no mwake na ebe ni doge rema ile ebe na ebe ni ele hu esusu hanya onokuma post office onwo kadi ebe no ishi kembeto ya akpo ka chiare ya deeper life. So in case so many one hold this video ile inu ebe ni lele wire. So orek meka ma obi asoka moso nga akpame president anyi all the schools of AGFU ndo ango kono maka ndo ango ale ono me
tane hotele en are kusini kete wala yupo en asebeni na ikoda poten beni o adult kwa akpa gambo adult 60s to 70s ebeni kan egbegu Morgan CK Morgan we helicopter we speed gbade we bu egwu nko no gan wa be ni kan yin egbe so e ma du gan na fa because o lo ma dan pole eyan ase o gan na yin gere ake na e ko da potin ben na e ko da ton modern hall remaye ya ka yan swatan e go am we ge to ngene po na e bozo orun do fiade na maka ni ichoni igbon ogun e bozo ogbon to kuro na oku nkeke sogun ya wan ya bia de arun ho ebe ni tan so ya ka ri eme anya agbo muyin ri orun ebo ni ri olo ni ri alebo ni bo le were no ka ri no ma ni ohun ma ri ba we ke wola na ya le ni wan we ri azun maka na eme ni so eme ni ano enu okoko otugbewu onu ka ri ile nya onu la ba ki kwen ketere onu zo yina eka ogen gibido amana hi onu no ka zayin ni onu gihume okano no ogun ri so ndone o ka ri no nu ma
then obira so mo so nremulo kan no no ho membe ala sun te kwana ma kwa don sun waske mama then nga so lebe wa se bin nga so nde genya ho ru be ni obi awor mo bi okare kmaka awonga ono mo ni yo ka kile chan ja kandiri lo kandiri ono kandiri ugbo ayo fu ko ja ora ka hiya masne konus ke gudo ya de ben obi so ma so kare hiya zo omo ka jero bin
this project Orimpa this site was abandoned for over 20 years. And the Choose Money-led ESCO are trying to bring back the culture, the tradition of Ake people. It's so priceless to us, and it will require a lot of money, but we are determined to meet those who are our stakeholders and also our people who are making it well in all areas of life to support this project. It's not just only going to be for events, it's also going to generate revenue. We're going to have a center, we're going to have a hall, and people can come and organize different occasions here. We have not really gotten government support, and that's why we have taken up the responsibility on ourselves to make sure our community is good for every one of us. And that is what we are doing. And I pray that all Aketons and brothers everywhere in the world who are listening to me will come and support this ESCO led by Chuksie Money Okumbo to ensure and make sure that this project